According to the previous videos, I was gonna learn Laravel, and I just found out from my research in YouTube and Google that Laravel is based on some libraries, and it needs to be installed by in a way like using a dependency manager named Composer, and I downloaded it and installed Composer after I've created my local server using XAMPP, and I've just defined my uh, PHP root in the environment variable in my pathway, and I've just found out that it needs to be in the C drive or root directory. It works better, and I just got some errors when I was trying to install XAMPP, and my PHP root was in another drive, and then I reinstalled it in my root, and it works better now. I've just run two commands in my command prompt, and Linux users can use terminal to install Composer and just install Laravel using this dependency manager, and then Laravel will install your laptop, and you can create your new project based on Laravel with a simple Laravel command, and it works too easy to install the last version of Laravel in your laptop. By the way, I've Laravel now on my laptop, and I've just created a project with Laravel, and I'm researching about how Laravel is working and how is the structure, uh, how its structure is. So I will cover that in my next videos. Please follow me.